Hey guys, Waterfall channel. Hello, namaste, hi, and welcome back to another vlog. Jormania vlog. So I hope you guys are doing well. And today we are leaving to One Falls. Actually, it is Monday morning, or everyone has leave. And Rakshit ini kane review kariye. Kane banji vene kane banji vene adu itanji leave ulle. Banji vene doctor nade hopinattu. Olla tide tirgere hokandare. So yeah guys, we are going out and we are going to Waterfall. Oh, Ermai Falls. Ermai Falls. So not sure we'll be reaching there or what is the thing. Okay, because all our trips are unplanned and we decide to go somewhere when later on we reach up going somewhere. Dada call on and the will disturb. Yeah, we decide to go somewhere and we end up going somewhere. And 8 kilometer 65 kilometer one way. One way 60 kilometer. So 65 kilometers and the place location is good, but एक problem है कि not sure पानी रहेगा कि नहीं रहेगा. But anyways, if you are going, we'll see what is the thing. And I think there is one trek also. There's like 2 kilometers we have to walk and go. So manager da paatharunda. Also 10 rupees change unda. Ini leave after atra. Egg leave unde. Vaya unde ettana. Vaya ettana.
It's hard for me to let go, but I think that I'm finally feeling good again. So hard cause I loved you, but I'm finally feeling like myself. All of the wounds that were opened by you are now closing.
Edandu? So guys, just now we have reached Dharmasala. So Dharmasala ka dwara hai. From there we have to go right, Ada? Right, Bajina? Right, we have to go, and from here still more 18 kilometers is there. और अभी धूप में निकले तो सबको नींद आ रहा है. So we are just listening music and just traveling. गाड़ी का पिना ఉంది రెంటెడ్ కార్ వాడి తాకడు ఆడి పొడియాడు అట్లే. Yeah guys, now we have reached the actual spot, and यहाँ से from the main road you can take jeep also, but it is like 2 kilometers walk. So if you're taking jeep they'll be costing you 500 up and down, and they'll be staying with you over there. And I think one way it will be 250. हम लोग को लगा नहीं कि जीप में जाना चाहिए. We thought of walking a bit, and that's why we are walking. हाँ? कास लड़ी पाउंड लैंग. He is our trip advisor. But must tell. अदा location एड्डंड अदा. Location ये पतन जंटा अदा. 12:30 it is, but we are not feeling hot, and I'm wearing jacket also. Rakshita pateriya banji vene chodu banji vene full kami anni banji vene kudlada marth dikkiji mool vattadu marth dikkinu banji vene hopna. So abhi as of now update is that you can get your car also, because what is there, you have a lot of stones over here, so नीचे लगने का chances बहुत ज़्यादा है. But if you have a big car, like Bolero and all. I think pass, it will come. And also we have came on Monday, so no one is there in this. I think if you are going to some spot, it's better to go on Mondays or weekdays. Sundays क्या होता है, बहुत रंजन रहता है, so इतना मज़ा नहीं करने होता है. If there is no people, then we can have a lot of fun. Look at this nature. भाई साहब गिरते गिरते पानी में बचा हो अभी. Actually there is a crossing. I think we took a wrong route, but you can come to this way, but you have to cross back way we have to cross, but risky, huh? And we are still finding out the route. पानी का साउंड देखो यार, क्रेजी यार. पानी का साउंड जब लगता है ना कानों में यार, will have that different kind of feeling. Enchant, yeah. Yeah guys, we have reached this spot, and once you enter, they'll be taking 20 rupees each, and they'll be giving this kind of receipt, I think, and they take your details, security purpose, and they just inform that it is very deep, so do not go a bit far. Make sure that you stay near the stones because it is risky. And yeah, we should agree to them and we should follow the same rules. Dehydration हो रहा है, but good form of cardio. Still we are walking, and make sure guys, whenever you come, have a proper pair of good shoes, because the way is very slippery and a lot of big stones are there. I only slept, I think 2 times I slipped it, but thank God mobile ऊपर रखा हूँ मैं, because I don't want to lose my mobile. Once I lost, now this mobile I don't want to lose. And also guys, full property is very restricted. When we come from the back counter also, they will check everything. This thing is not allowed over here and should not be allowed also. Yeah guys, now we have reached this spot. So guys, now we are going to the waterfall. बहुत ठंडी लग रही है भाई. I'm getting scared of my mobile. Alpa deep unda. Full deep is. Look at the view guys. Living life. Cool. I got pen camera but so camera edtira camera edtira.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat.
Having a good time, guys. Actually, inside there are a lot of big fishes. You can feel it. It is just touching your feet. You can feel that. And it's not so deep over here. This side it's deep, but this side it's not. Lagla! 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 Swimming किसी को नहीं आता. But good thing is that we are doing it safe. We have people over here, and it's not deep over here. So almost water will be till this level. So there is no that much kind of risk. That is why we are over here. So guys, posing session is going on. Yeah guys, we are done now and we are heading back to our car, or the best location. I think the best so far, the waterfall which we had. But एक problem है कि अपने लोगों को सुंदरता क्या बोलते हैं, रास नहीं आती है शायद. Everywhere you can see bottles, everywhere you can see cigarette packets. So whoever are coming, guys, do not carry. ಎಂತ ಮಾರೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಮಾರೆ. ಎಂತ ಮಾರೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಮಾರೆ. ಆಯ್ತು, ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೇನಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಈ ಸ್ಪಾಟಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಮೇಕ್ ಶೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ತರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಂದರೆ ಆ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ತೊಂದರೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನೇಚರ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ विच वी हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट वी प्रिजर्व इट. हमारे बच्चों के बच्चे भी यूज़ करना चाहिए, आके इधर आके एंजॉय करना चाहिए. Should I start talking in Kannada? Or I should make vlogs both in Kannada, Tulu, Hindi, English. That one part, panle. Encha vlog, all language mantra. Amaka na line language gottu. Oh. Or porridge. Guys, when we are coming back, we found one more spot. अब जा रहे वहाँ पर ही. दूसरी बार गिर चुका हूँ. मैं वीडियो ऑन करना भूल गया था. यार ये बढ़ता ही रहो. Make sure you have a good grip shoes. And this is the location. थोड़ा और आगे जाता हूँ. This is the location. One more location. I think you will not have space to get into water, but it's like a flow.